Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, classmate. Today, I will be presenting my device about disaster risk reduction and management automation system using digital logic gates. And my title of my device is about typhoon warning alarm system. Ito nga po pala sir yung description of the disaster problem address. The disaster problem addressed by this system is the danger caused by typhoons, which usually brings strong winds and heavy rainfall. This weather condition can lead to serious problems such as flooding, damage to houses and buildings, fallen trees, power outages, and possible injuries to people. In many communities, especially those located near coastal or low-lying areas, typhoons can cause severe damage if people are not warned early. This system addresses that problem by creating a simple automated typhoon warning signal using sensors and logic gates. The sensor detects conditions that represent strong wind and heavy rain. When both conditions are present at the same time, the system activates a warning using an AD and a buzzer. This warning can alert people that a possible typhoon condition is happening so they can take action immediately. Ang disaster problem na ina-address ko po dito sir is yung sa typhoon po. Alam naman po natin na tuwing Burr months madalas na bumabagyo sa Pilipinas. So naisip ko po sir, using simple automated typhoon warning signal using sensor and logic gates nga po. Yung device ko po is nakaka-detect siya ng strong winds and heavy rainfall, which is pag na-activate po yun, mag-a-alarm po. So yung mga tao po, makakapag-prepare po sila mag-evacuate and makapag-prepare ng mga kailangan nila sa parating na typhoon. Next is, yung circuit ko nga po is yung typhoon warning alarm system and ICUs, yung ANGATE 7408. Ito nga po pala yung IC pin configuration niya. Yung pin 14 po ng IC, siya po itong BCC, which is yung ano nga po, positive. Yung pin 7 na po is yung ground ng IC. And yung pin 1 po, input of IC. Also yung pin 2 po, input rin po ng IC. Yung pin 3 naman po is yung output of IC. Ito nga po pala sir yung circuit schematic diagram ng device ko. And yung mga material na ginamit ko po, yung ANGATE 7408 IC, soil moisture detector, and yung sa ginamit ko po yung sa pag-detect ng wind is yung tilt sensor dahil sir wala pong ibang sensor kaya inisip ko na lang po itong tilt sensor is nakaka-detect ng hangin. And 3 resistor, red LED, piezo, which is yung ano nga po, alarm nung system, wires, and 5 volts power supply. Next is yung defining inputs and output. Yung circuit ko sir is yung typhoon warning alarm system. Ito nga po pala sir yung sa input. Ang una ko pong input yung letter A, tilt sensor, represent as wind detector. Yung nakaka-detect na po ng strong wind. And yung B naman po is soil moisture sensor, represent as rain detector. Yung mga nakaka-detect po siya ng heavy rain. And yung output ko po sir yung red LED, which is yung warning light po. And then yung piezo, represent po ng alarm. Ito nga po pala sir yung Boolean expression ng device ko. Kapag yung tilt sensor ko po is wala po siyang na-detect na malakas na hangin, and yung soil moisture ko naman po is walang na-detect na malakas na pag-ulan, and yung output po niya is 0, which is yung ito po yung description niya. When strong wind and heavy rain are not detected, the warning light and warning alarm will be not activated. And then next po, yung kapag naman po yung tilt sensor ko is walang na-detect na hangin, and yung soil moisture ko naman po is may na-detect na malakas na pag-ulan, and yung magiging output po niya is yung 0. Ito po yung description niya. When non-strong wind detected and heavy rain detected, the warning light and warning alarm will not be activated. Next is yung kapag yung tilt sensor ko naman po is nakadetect ng malakas na hangin, and yung soil moisture naman po is hindi nakadetect ng malakas na pag-ulan, yung output po niya is 0. Ang explanation po niyan is yung when strong wind detected and heavy rain not detected, the warning light and warning alarm will not be activated. And lastly po is yung kapag yung tilt sensor ko po is nakadetect siya ng malakas na hangin, and yung soil moisture naman po is nakadetect din ng malakas na pag-ulan, ang magiging output po niya is 1, which is when both strong wind and heavy rain detected, the warning light and warning alarm will be activated. Ito naman po pala sa yung truth table ng device ko. Kapag yung input ng A is 0 and yung input ng B is 0, ang magiging output niya is 0. Second is, kapag yung input ng A is 0 and yung input ng B is 1, ang output po niya is 0. Third is, kapag yung input ng A is 1 and yung input ng B is 0, ang magiging output po niya is 0. And kapag yung input naman po ng A is 1 and yung input ng B is 1, ang magiging input po niya is 1. Next is yung observation ko po. During the simulation of my circuit, sir, na-observe ko about my circuit is yung gumagana siya according to the logic of AND gate. Yung AND gate nga po is may dalawang input, which is yung tilt sensor ko po nga po, sir, nakaka-detect siya ng malakas na hangin, and yung sa soil moisture sensor ko naman, sir, is nakaka-detect siya na malakas na pag-ulan. Kapag na-detect po yung dalawang condition na yun, is ma-activate po yung system ko, which is mag-a-alarm po and mag-indicate ng warning light. Next, sir, is yung trouble and defect na na-encounter ko. Yung trouble and defect na na-encounter ko, sir, sa device ko is nung una yung LED, which is yung warning light, and yung sa buzzer ko po, yung sa warning alarm nga po, hindi po siya gumagana dahil nga po yung connection ko is mali. So ang ginawa ko, sir, nire-check ko ulit yung mga connection ng device ko, and inayos ko siya, sir. Tapos nung naayos ko na siya, sir, nung na-detect na ng dalawang sensor ko yung condition, gumana na po siya, which is yung umilaw na yung LED and nag-alarm na po yung buzzer. And yung sa serving procedures na ginawa ko po is in-ensure ko na tama and na double check yung connection ng device ko and maintain ko na tama yung pagkakalagay ng mga components dun sa breadboard and make sure na yung components is gumagana and yun na nga po, in-ensure ko yung sa IC po is nakakonect nga po yung sa VCC sa positive and yung sa ground na po is nakakonect sa negative. So now, let's proceed to the guide question. Number 1 is, what DRRM problem does your system address? Yung ina-address nga po sir ng system ko is yung sa lack of early warning during typhoons nga po. Especially sir kapag malakas na yung hangin and sobrang buhos ng ulan. During typhoon sir, yung mga condition na yun, makakapag-cause siya ng serious problem such as yung flooding nga po, pagkasira ng mga bahay sir, pagkalaglag ng mga sanga ng puno, at panganib sa mga tao sir. Sometimes sir, yung mga tao kasi hindi nila napapansin na yung hangin na yun tsaka yung pagbus ng ulan is normal lang. So, wala silang kaalam-alam na ganun na pala kalakas yung hangin at yung pagbaha, which is hindi sila makakapag-prepare. So, yung device ko sir, designated siya na mag-simulate ng typhoon warning signal system, which is yung nakaka-detect nga sir ng malakas na hangin and malakas na pag-ulan, which is ma-alarma sir yung mga tao and makakapag-prepare sila sa pararating na bagyo. So, ang pinaprovide nga po sir nung system ko is para ma-alert yung people sa masamang agupit ng bagyo. So, yung warning signal na maririnig sila is makakapag-prepare na sila at makakapag-evacuate ng maaga. Number 2 is, what logic gates are used in your design? Ang ginamit ko po sir na logic gates sa device ko is yung AND gate nga po, which is yung 7804. Importante po sir yung AND gate sa device ko dahil siya po yung nag-check ng true condition bago mag-activate yung system ko po. Kapag po yung dalawang condition is na-detect, yung system ko po is mag-a-alarm, which is yung yung warning alarm and yung warning light. Number 3 is, how does the system respond to different input condition? Yung system ko po sir, nag-respond po siya sa different input condition by checking the signals coming from the two sensor, which represent strong wind and heavy rain. Yung AND gate po sir, nag-evaluate siya ng input and nag-determine ng warning signal kung ma-activate po ba siya o hindi. Kapag yung both sensor po is walang na-detect na condition, ang input po ay 0. So, yung AND gate, hindi siya makakapag-produce ng output. So, yung LED and buzzer remain off. This means that there is no warning because the weather conditions are normal. Kapag naman yung isang sensor na-detect na condition, which is yung malakas na hangin lang po, and wala naman na-detect siya na malakas na pag-ulan, so yung magiging output po niya is 0, which is hindi po mag-activate yung device. And then kapag naman po yung Kapag naman po yung isang detector is walang na-detect na malakas na hangin and nakaka-detect naman po yung isa ng malakas na pag-ulan, ang magiging output pa rin po is 0. Dahil yun na nga po, nag-activate lang po yung alarm kapag yung two condition is na-detect. And yung lastly nga po, kapag na-detect ng system ko yung dalawang condition which is yung strong wind nga po and yung heavy rain, mag-a-activate na po yung system ko which is mag-a-alarm na po and mag-i-indicate na ng warning light. Number 4 is how can the system help in disaster preparedness? Yung system ko nga po is nakakatulong siya sa disaster preparedness by providing an early warning signal which is yung mapanganib na weather condition nga po related to typhoon. Kapag yung dalawang sensor ko po is nakadetect nga po ng strong wind and heavy rain, yung system ko po is mag-a-activate which is mag-i-indicate po siya ng warning light and warning signal. So yung tao po, ma-alerto sila na yung typhoon is papalakas na. So mabibigyan sila ng awareness para makapaghanda at makapag-evacuate kung sakali. Dahil ang early warnings po is very important sa disaster preparedness dahil inaalaw ng ang mga tao na makapag-prepare at ma-secure yung mga gamit nila bago pa tumama yung bagyo. For example po, makakapag-handa sila ng emergency supply at makakapag-evacuate sila ng maaga. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, classmate. Ito nga po pala yung device ko about sa DRRM. Ang title nga po pala nito is Typhoon Warning Alarm System. And ang ginamit ko po nga na logic gates is yung 7408 which is yung AND gate po. And ang ginamit ko pong sensor is tilt sensor since wala naman pong wind sensor dito. Ginawa ko na lang pong tilt sensor is ito. Nakaka-detect po siya ng strong wind and ito naman pong soil moisture sensor para sa pag-detect ng heavy rain. And ang ginamit ko naman pong output itong piezo which is pag-activate po siya ng sound which is yung alarm, and ito naman pong LED para sa pag-activate ng pag-indicate ng warning light. And ito nga po pala yung connection niya. Ganito lang po kasimple. Ang unang ko nga po palang ginawa is connect ko yung positive negative ng IC, and then yung kinonnect ko yung left side ng tilt sensor sa positive, and yung right side niya kinonnect ko naman sa pin 1, and nakakonect rin siya sa 10K resistor. And second naman po itong sa soil moisture sensor, nakakonect siya sa second pin ng IC, and meron din po siyang 10K resistor. And then yung sa output ko naman po is ang nakakonect sa kanya is itong piezo which is yung sa alarm, and LED which is indicate ng warning light. So ganito po pala gumagana yung system ko. Kapag po yung tilt sensor ko po is walang na-detect na condition which is yung nakaka-detect nga po ng strong wind. And sa soil moisture ko po, soil moisture sensor ko po is wala rin na-detect na condition, which is yung heavy rain. Yung system ko po hindi mag-activate, which is hindi mag-indicate ng warning light and warning sound. Then kapag yung tilt sensor ko naman po is nakadetect ng malakas na hangin, and yung soil moisture ko naman po is walang detect na heavy rain, yung system ko po hindi pa rin po mag-i-indicate and mag-indicate ng warning light and warning sound. And then kapag yung soil moisture ko naman po ang nakadetect ng malakas na pag-ulan, and yung tilt sensor ko po is hindi nakadetect ng strong wind, yung system ko po is hindi siya po mag-activate, which is hindi nga rin po siya nag-indicate ng warning light and warning sound. At kapag yung both sensor ko po is nakadetect ng condition, which is yung tilt sensor ko po is nakadetect ng strong wind, and yung soil moisture ko naman po is nakadetect ng heavy rainfall, yung system ko po is mag-activate, which is mag-i-indicate po siya ng warning light and warning sound. Ganito po yung sound niya. Yun lang po, sir, at maraming salamat po.